Tired of juggling multiple kitchen gadgets just to make a single meal? Meet the Instant Pot EvenCrisp Ultimate Lid, the 13-in-1 powerhouse that pressure cooks, air fries, slow cooks, steams, sous vides, and even proof spread, all with just one lid. Imagine crispy air-fried wings in minutes, fall-off-the-bone ribs from the slow cooker, and restaurant-quality sous vide steak, all from the same device. No more cluttered countertops or lid-swapping hassles. With its smart LCD display, whisper-quiet steam release, and EvenCrisp technology, this kitchen marvel makes cooking faster, easier, and healthier. Hello, 95% less oil. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep pro, or an aspiring home chef, the EvenCrisp saves time, space, and effort while delivering delicious results every time. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Let's dive in. Features of the Instant Pot EvenCrisp Ultimate Lid. 13-in-1 versatility. The standout feature of this appliance is its 13 cooking functions, eliminating the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. Here's what it can do. Pressure cooker. Cooks meals 70% faster than traditional methods. Air fryer. Uses EvenCrisp technology for crispy results with 95% less oil. Slow cooker. Perfect for stews, soups, and tender meats. Steamer. Ideal for vegetables, dumplings, and seafood. Sauté pan, brown meats or stir-fry before pressure cooking. Food warmer, keeps meals at the perfect temperature. Roaster and broiler, great for crispy chicken or roasted veggies. Dehydrator, make homemade jerky or dried fruits. Yogurt maker, ferment yogurt with precision. Sous vide, cook restaurant-quality proteins at exact temperatures. Bread proofer, helps dough rise perfectly. With this level of versatility, you can replace several appliances, saving counter space and meat. One ultimate lid for all functions. Unlike other multi-cookers that require switching lids for different functions, the Instant Pot EvenCrisp Ultimate Lid does everything with a single lid. This makes transitioning from pressure cooking to air frying seamless and hassle-free. User-friendly LCD display. The large LCD screen provides step-by-step cooking instructions, making it easy for beginners. It also displays notifications like OK to open lid, ensuring safety and convenience. Advanced steam release technology. The steam release button is located on the control panel, and the system is designed to be whisper quiet, unlike traditional pressure cookers that can be loud and intimidating. Easy to clean. The stainless steel cooking pot, steaming rack, and pressure cooking cover are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. A protective inner cover prevents splatters from reaching the air frying element during pressure cooking. Performance and cooking experience. Pressure cooking, fast and efficient. The Instant Pot EvenCrisp cuts cooking time by up to 70%, making it perfect for busy weeknights. Whether you're cooking rice, beans, or a full pot roast, the 1500-watt heating element ensures even, fast cooking. Air frying. Crispy and healthier meals. The EvenCrisp technology circulates hot air for perfectly crispy fries, wings, or even baked goods, without deep frying. Since it uses 95% less oil, it's a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Slow cooking and sous vide, precision cooking. For dishes that need low and slow cooking, the slow cooker function delivers rich, deep flavors. The sous vide mode is a standout, allowing precise temperature control for perfectly cooked steaks, fish, or eggs. Dehydrating and proofing, beyond the basics. If you enjoy making homemade jerky, dried fruits, or yogurt, the dehydrator and yogurt maker functions are excellent additions. The bread proofer is also a great feature for bakers. Pros and cons. Pros. 13-in-1 functionality, replaces multiple appliances. Single lid design, no need to switch lids. User-friendly LCD display, great for beginners. Whisper quiet steam release, less noise than traditional pressure cookers. Dishwasher safe parts, easy cleanup. Healthier air frying, crispy food with minimal oil. Cons, large footprint, takes up counter space. No non-stick coating, requires proper care to avoid sticking. Learning curve, some users may need time to master all functions. Who should buy this? The Instant Pot EvenCrisp Ultimate Lid is ideal for busy families who need quick, healthy meals, meal prep pros looking to batch cook efficiently, health-conscious cooks who want to reduce oil usage, home chefs who enjoy experimenting with sous vide, dehydrating, or baking, small kitchen owners who want to minimize appliance clutter. Final verdict, is it worth it? With 13 cooking functions, a single lid design, and easy cleanup, the Instant Pot EvenCrisp Ultimate Lid is one of the most versatile kitchen appliances on the market. While it has a larger footprint, its ability to replace multiple gadgets makes it a smart investment. Best for multifunctional cooking, air frying, pressure cooking, and sous vide. Consider if you want an all-in-one appliance that saves time and space. If you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use kitchen companion, the Instant Pot EvenCrisp Ultimate Lid delivers on all fronts. Where to buy? Available on Amazon. Check the latest price and deals. Would you try this 13-in-1 powerhouse? Let us know in the comments.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.